Hi everyone, I'm Tom from Arts Auto Body and Paint in Pomona, California. One of the biggest worries when getting your car fixed, concerns about insurance coverage. Navigating claims can feel overwhelming, but at Arts, we make the process smooth and stress-free. Let me tell you about Daniel, a local store clerk who came to us last month. His 2017 Toyota Corolla had a damaged front bumper after a rear-end collision. Daniel was nervous about how his insurance would handle the claim and whether he'd face out-of-pocket costs. We worked directly with his insurance provider, handled the paperwork, and kept him updated. Our team restored his Corolla to perfection, and his insurance covered it all. Daniel said, "Arts took care of everything with my insurance. I didn't have to stress." Here's how we do it. We partner with most major insurance companies, streamlining claims to save you time and hassle. From estimate to repair, our Pomona team ensures your coverage is maximized and your car is fixed right. At Arts Auto Body and Paint, we take the worry out of insurance claims. Need a repair that works with your insurance? Stop by or call for a free estimate today. Ready for hassle-free insurance repairs? Call Arts Auto Body at 909-620-5464 or visit artsautobodｙandpaint.com to book your free estimate. Arts Auto Body and Paint, your insurance, our expertise.